Pride. No faith. Asking you, did God really say yes? Deception. Master of illusion.
Using sight to mislead.
Rebellion, defiance,
Refusing to submit.
vengeance, grudge, malice, hypocrisy, manipulation.
Spiritual warfare through worldly value.
Money as the answer.
Yes.
Materialism as salvation.
Academic degrees.
Trusting human knowledge over divine wisdom. Violence.
Using depression and poverty. You sound like Satan.